Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Have you ever tasted a dish so rich and comforting it feels like a warm hug? Today, we're diving into Dal Makhani, a creamy Punjabi classic that's slow-cooked, flavorful, and surprisingly easy to make at home. Let's talk about what makes this dish so special and why it's loved everywhere. Ever had a spoonful of Dal Makhani food that felt like a warm blanket? It's rich, creamy, and slow-cooked in a way that makes you pause after the first bite. This isn't everyday thin dal you rush through on a busy night. It's the kind of dish people order for the table, then quietly hope there are leftovers. At its core, Punjabi Dal Makhani is a pot of creamy lentils made from whole black lentils and kidney beans, simmered with tomatoes, spices, and plenty of butter. It tastes deep and mellow, not sharp or fiery. In this guide, you'll learn what makes it taste so rich, the key ingredients that create that restaurant-style flavor, how it's made at home without stress, and the best ways to serve, store, and reheat it. What is Dal Makhani food, and why does it taste so rich? Dal Makhani is a North Indian, Punjabi-style dish made with whole black lentils, urad dal, and usually a small amount of kidney beans, rajma. The lentils cook until they're soft enough to partly break down, which is where the signature texture comes from. Think of it like a stew that thickens itself, slowly as it simmers. The word makhani comes from makhan, meaning butter. That's the heart of the flavor. Butter rounds out the spices, smooths the tang of tomatoes, and gives the dal a glossy finish. Many versions also use cream, which adds a gentle sweetness and a silkier mouthfeel. What makes Punjabi Dal Makhani different from regular dal? It uses whole lentils, not split ones, so the texture is heavier and more satisfying. It's cooked low and slow, which builds a smoky, layered taste. The sauce, the masala, is not just a quick onion-tomato base. It's cooked until it smells sweet and cooked through, not raw. Dal Makhani shows up everywhere, from family dinners to big celebrations. In restaurants, it's often the safe order because almost everyone likes it. It's mild but not boring, rich but still balanced when it's made well. And once you learn the basic method, it becomes one of the easiest comfort foods to repeat at home. Key ingredients that make Dal Makhani taste like a restaurant dish. Restaurant-style Dal Makhani isn't about fancy tricks. It's about a few ingredients doing their jobs well. Whole black lentils, urad dal. The main body, earthy and creamy when cooked long enough. Rajma, kidney beans. Adds bite and a slightly sweet bean flavor. Butter or ghee. Creates that classic makhani richness and smooth finish. Cream. Softens spice edges and makes the texture feel plush. Onions and tomatoes. Build the base, sweetness from onions, tang from tomatoes. Ginger and garlic. Give warmth and aroma, especially when cooked into the masala. Cumin, garam masala, chili powder. Add depth, heat, and that North Indian profile. Kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. A small pinch makes the dal smell restaurant-like. Now that you know what Dal Makhani is and why it tastes so rich, we're just getting started. In the next part, we'll break down the key ingredients and how to cook it step by step at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.